Hello, my name is Darla Andrew, and I own Rent Portland Homes by Darla Andrew. Today, I just want to discuss what owners should be looking for when hiring a residential property management company. Number one, communication. I would ask a lot of questions of how the communication is handled at the property management company. Emails, calls, when they're going to respond. Number two, prioritize interior inspections. The interior inspections should be done once a year, and that should include photos and a narrative on anything inside the interior of your home, so you know the condition of your home is being taken care of. 3 annual reviews. Your property manager should be discussing with you about where your goals are, where you want to go with rents in the future, just small increases. Also, the scope of if you want to grow your portfolio, and just discussing on how things are going with the communication and all the items that we're talking about today. Number 4, marketing and advertising. All management companies should have a software that allows them to view how the marketing's going on your home. All your homes should have a video, also extended marketing on Zillow. And all the correct software will help them in this and helping you making sure that your vacancy rates are really low. Number 5, rates in the Portland area as far as management fees when you're hiring a property management company range from 7 to 10%. Now remember, this is on residential management fees. Also, you're going to see half of 1 month's rent for placement. And this is pretty much the average in the Portland metropolitan area. The in-house repairs and the construction division of a property management company is definitely number 6. You should make sure that their organization with the repairs, keeping logs on all the work orders. They have in-house people, they have vendors, subcontractors. So when you have to do those turns or when you have to repair items quickly, they're done within at least 48 hours. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. I'd love to discuss any of these market issues with you or any of the communication issues with you. I can always be reached at 503-515-3170, and I wish you the best of luck. Thank you so much.